Hey everybody, welcome to an unboxing for October 13th, 2022, and I got a package in the mail today, so let me put the camera down while I open it. Okie dokie. Just give me a second. Alright, got it opened. And the DVD I got is Bob and Larry's How to Draw. Free drawing mat and frameable mat. Here's the front. Here's the spine. Got a character profile of Larry. And the back. Sunday morning value, Saturday morning fun. Alright. Since this is sealed, let me put the camera down while I open it. Alright. Now to open up the DVD to see the disc. Here's the disc, and it came with an insert. Let's see. Coming March 2005, this is an ad for Princess and the Pie War, before it was changed to Duke and the Great Pie War, as well as some other titles. Sumo of the Opera, Holiday Double Feature. And here's the advertisement for the drawing pad and the frameable mat. And here's the back where it's basically just a proof of purchase. And here is the chapter list. Alright, and that's going to do it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned for more videos coming soon in the future.